Let's see how we do here. What do you think I should draw today? How about a moon buggy? So the moon buggy starts with a big dome up top. Whoever's driving the moon buggy is going to be in there. And then 3 little domes underneath. Of course, they're not going to be domes. They're going to be the wheel wells. So go ahead and draw another dome over each of those, and then a line to the next one, and then another like this. Okay. Now, you can make your moon buggies look like whatever you want. That's the fun part of it. I like to draw a little thing down here to show like where it seals up like that. And then the moon buggy can literally be like any shape. It can be big and boxy, or it can be sleek like a sports car, or both. It can be both of those things. And what I find really helps a lot is greebling. You know what greebling is, right? Greebling is like all those little details on the Millennium Falcon. You don't actually have to know what they are. You just have to put them on. The more you put on, the better. Well, sometimes people go a little overboard with greebling, but in general, a lot of greebling helps. Some good greebles are a circle with like another little circle inside of it and a line going out into a square. That's always a good greeble. This one here is a little door. It just has one line for a latch on one side and two lines on the other side for a hinge. When you're drawing moon buggies, greebles can't get any better than little satellite dishes or radio antennas or both. The more of those you have, the better it looks. Up here in the front, let's draw. Let's make like some kind of drill-looking thing up here. Maybe this is this guy's digging a hole on them. I don't know. I don't know what he's doing. That's the great thing about moon buggies. You don't actually have to understand everything that's going on. You just keep adding little details, and you know, when you run out of room or you get tired of it, that's when you stop. So the tires, I do like that. I draw several circles like this. I draw 5 dots in the middle and a circle around it. And then for the tires on the other side of the car, I just draw a half circle and color it in. I learned that from those Lorenzo, the guy that does all those online drawing tutorials. All right. And why not have some flames coming out of the back here? Maybe this is a really fast moon buggy. And then here's the surface of the moon. See, he's not on the surface of the moon. He's up, and to show exactly how high he is, you draw a little shadow underneath. And we'll make it look more like the moon by adding in some little details here. Squiggles with circles and circles with lines down. Those are all it takes to make the moon. You don't even need anything else, and everybody's going to know that's the moon. And then let's see here. Oh yeah, each of these should have a little shadow too. You don't have to go to too much trouble. Just a little squiggle. All right, now we've got our moon buggy. We just need to decide who's driving the moon buggy. Who do you think it should be? Man, anybody have a suggestion? I wish you guys could tell me. All right, so you know I love to draw unicorns. Why don't I make a little unicorn in there? All right, let's see here. Okay, there he goes. I think I've got a video about how to draw unicorns if anybody wants to know how to do this. And let's see here. Normally, if I'm doing a unicorn, I plan ahead and I make an extra part of the bubble for his horn, but I don't really have a way to do that at the moment. All right, and we'll give him some eyes. Okay, he's paying a lot of attention to his driving. The great thing about moon buggies is you don't have to draw a steering wheel. Steering wheels are a real pain to draw. They never sit at the right angle. Just draw a stick. That's all you need to drive a moon buggy. And then, of course, he's driving it with a hoof. That's right. That's just how simple it is. His other hoof is up here. He's got a little milkshake. He's driving along. All right, and let's see here. We'll put maybe some stars up here. Okay, and I think we got ourselves a moon buggy. How about Saturn or the Earth? Putting the Earth up there is always good. Maybe the sun is in the distance out there. There you go, folks. That's how you draw a moon buggy. So I'm not sure how this setup worked, but we'll see. I'll take a look at it. Maybe you guys will take a look at it. We'll find out. Good talking to you, everybody. I'll see you soon.